Hey guys, welcome in this video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So this video is a very special one because I have to address a situation that is going on right now, which is very negative and that is hurting a lot of people. And to be quite honest with you guys, I'm really starting to be tired of this situation. So I am trying to just put some awareness of it and spread the message around to let you guys know about it. So a lot of you guys probably have an idea of what I'm going to talk about, but essentially there are many fake accounts of me going around on the internet, okay? Now, essentially anyone who produces content on the internet like I do is potentially exposed to having these fake accounts. But I would say that people in the entrepreneurship, people in the trading, finance or business industry, right? We are even much more subject to getting these fake accounts. And the reason why is simply because, well, essentially, right, these fake accounts are literally scams, okay? So they are accounts that are simply trying to steal money from people. And so of course that they are going to target the audience that is already interested in the topic, right? So I am unfortunately getting targeted by these fake accounts. And so essentially what they do is that they take my photos, they take my posts, they take my name, right? They take everything that I do and they just repost it on another account. So they are trying to have their account look exactly like mine. They will even go as far as buying followers and buying likes and stuff like that, right? So they are really trying to appear as if they were my real profile. And so what they do after that is simply that they send a bunch of messages to people and they are simply acting as if it was me, and they are trying to lure people into some weird crypto investment and some weird business and stuff like that. And essentially, right, they are literally all scams, okay? So they're just trying to steal money and then they are trying to run away, all right? So this is what these fake accounts are doing. And unfortunately, I've received quite a few messages from people telling me that they got scammed, and it's really starting to bother me. So I'm doing this video to put some light on this situation. So I have this sheet right here, all right? So I didn't want to just write my real accounts after recording the video because this could be edited and, you know, a fake account could try to remove this text. So right now it's not doable, right? So these are my real accounts. So let me explain you guys, all right? So on Instagram, all right, this is the first one and the second one as well on this sheet of paper that you see, okay? So on Instagram, I have two real accounts. The first real account is my personal account. So Anthony Book, all right? So ANTHONYBOUC. So Anthony Book, this account doesn't have a number in it. It doesn't have two letters. It doesn't have a underscore, right? It's literally just these letters alone. If you see something else, then it means that it's not me. So make sure that you verify the spelling because this is what they are trying to do. Sometimes they will just change a letter or add a number or something like that. If you see something else, then it's not me. So this is my personal account. And then I have the account of our coaching program, which is Reversal Master. So this is the second one that you guys see here. So REVERSALMASTER, all right? So same thing, no double letters, no numbers, no underscore, no nothing, right? So these are my only two real accounts on Instagram. After that, on TikTok, I have only one real account, which is the same. So this one here, the same as Instagram. So Anthony Book, this is my only real account on TikTok. It has like 70,000 followers as I'm recording this video. On Facebook, I only have one real account on Facebook. It's my personal account. It has, again, at the time of recording this video, 4,800 followers. I have a bunch of photos, even of when I was younger, right? So you can check the date as well of the photos and you will see that on my real accounts, I have photos, you know, that are from many years ago. So I have one real Facebook account and I have only one real YouTube channel. So again, at the time of recording this video, it has around 10,000 followers and hundreds of free videos, all right? So these are my only real accounts on social media. So I have one on YouTube, which is my name. I have one on TikTok, which is Anthony Book. I have one on Facebook, which is my personal account with 4.8 thousand followers. And I have 2 accounts on Instagram, Anthony Book and Reversal Master. Again, no numbers, no underscore, no nothing like that. These fake accounts, as I said, are everywhere, but they are mostly on Instagram and TikTok. So please be aware of this, be extremely careful. And then to again show you guys my sheet one last time, I have only one website, okay? So again, it's the Reversal Master website. You guys can see the website right here, okay? This is my only website. This is the website of our coaching program. So I am not affiliated with any broker. I don't recommend any broker or any other website or stuff like that. This is my only real website, and I'm never going to message you first. I'm never going to ask you for cryptos or for payments or anything like that. I will never promise you any returns, all right? So all of these things are done by the fake accounts, all right? So this video, as I said, was to put some light on this unfortunate situation and show you guys what are my real accounts. So please be careful. Don't get scammed. If you see a fake account, you can report the fake account, you can block it, but just make sure that you are careful out there, because unfortunately there are a lot of these accounts going on, and it's really unfortunate. So I hope that this message gets to you. I hope that this is clear, and I just hope that you will be careful on the internet. So thanks for watching this video. Very different one, as I said, but I really had to make it because it's really starting to be hurtful, unfortunately, for a lot of people. So I think I said everything, right? So on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.